Morning. This is Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we have an interesting weather day in Chicago. We're starting out with rain and above normal temperatures, and as the day progresses, temperatures are going to drop and we're going to have a little bit of snow. Not as bad as what's east of us, but we have quite a change in the weather pattern. For the rest of the week, it looks pretty cold, especially on Thanksgiving Day. I hope everybody has a great holiday. As far as trading goes, it could be an active week. We still have a relatively large open interest in these contracts. First notice day will be on Friday when we have reduced hours, and so we'll just kind of see what happens to the market as we get closer. And Thursday we're not trading. As far as overnight is concerned, we've got beans down about 8 to 9 cents, corn down a penny, wheat up a penny. Outside markets, dollar's a little bit lower, and most commodities are also a little bit lower. We had some fireworks on Friday when we heard that China's lowering their lending rates and when Europe's trying to do some quantitative easing that might stimulate their economies. And today we're kind of settling back, just seeing how all this affects things. If you don't fix China's situation, the concern is their commodity demand could actually start declining. As far as the specifics go, in the beans you have the conflict between record nearby demand and record world supplies. South American weather got good over the weekend, with Brazil seeing good rains over 80% of the areas. To manage all that, we still think long-term soybean prices are going lower. Over in the corn, you've got farmers done selling. You've got some lack of farmer selling to this point has been supportive to the price, and the funds think on January 12th USDA is going to lower the corn crop. Farmers are going to plant less corn next year, and that could lower the carryout, and that's all supportive. On the bearish side is we don't have the export demand, and since the farmer is holding a larger amount of stocks than normal, he's a willing seller on rallies. So we'll just see if that keeps us in a trading range. Over in the wheat, we did hear some quality concerns in Brazil and Argentina late last week, and that helped the wheat market in case Brazil comes in and buys U.S. wheat. Traders are also buying wheat underneath the market in case there's not a good crop in Russia next year, or in case this cold weather in the United States has caused a little stress to our U.S. winter wheat crop. So kind of a mixed bag, beans lower, everything else kind of unchanged, and we'll go into the first notice day with a pretty choppy trade. And again, hope everybody has a good holiday. As always, these are my thoughts and those of ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trade.